one day I was in my room and I was feeling lonely because I didn't have a friend. My family wasn't here, and I couldn't speak English, and people were different. But I like the country. I like the variety. I like the beach. You know, Burvos, and you know, so really beautiful. We'll be singing now for you now that I'm free, and I prefer to sing the English version. So it's a love song, but it's not really like I'm in love with somebody physically. I have to be honest with you. I didn't have a girlfriend or wife back then, and I was in love with the idea. Oh, come on. I was in love with the idea that if I can give up the need to always be right, then I can be free. So, and then I wrote it like a love song, but I'm in love with the idea. And I'd like to call Stella Martins, good? And we'll do that together. Thank you. Are you ready? Good. Lives are magnifique with you standing there, and I'm so away. I gotta see you, my dream come true. Don't you ever go away, 'cause the joy you bring me all days and every night makes me believe I'll be that I can try again, that I can dream again, can love again now that I'm free, that I can try again, that I can dream again, can love again now that I'm free. Now that I've got to you, this is where my heart will stay. To have you in my arms, share my life with you, it's all I ever need to do. Close to you, I'm strong, and anything I do with you. We can try again, we can dream again, can love again now. We are free, we can try again, we can dream again. Oh yeah, we can try again, we can dream again, can love again now. We are free. Every step I make, every breath that I take, it's a new song. I can try again, I can dream again, can love again now that I'm free. That I can try again, that I can dream again, can love again now that I'm free. Try again, oh yeah, oh yeah. I can try again, I can dream again, can love again, I'm free. Now that I'm free, I can try again, I can dream again, I can love again. Now that I'm free. Good. Thank you.